Hi guys! In this video I am going to tie in some Gammarus. The hook I'm using is RX NS172 in the size of 10. As you see, I've already started here. Nothing I've done that is interesting actually, other than putting on the thread. Next step is make the tail. I'm using lemon duck just to rip off a few fibers here, and I like them a little bit longer because I like them to curve a little bit. Just putting on your finger like that, pressing down a little bit, tie all the way down and then back, all the way, almost all the way to the hook eye. We take for the front piece, we do exactly the same. Have it a little bit shorter in the front, just like that, and tie it almost all the way back. Like this. Take our thread down again, and we tie in this shell. We're going to use this as the back of the fly. One loose turn. When you've come around, you can tighten it in and tie it all the way down. Like that. The rib, I'm using 030 as usual. Tie it a long way up and then all the way back down to where we started or ended. Give it a nice wrap here because we want to be able to pull it a little bit, and I like to sap, and the sap got it. Oh yeah, sap it and wrap it. It's a nice slogan. That's make a dubbing loop. And all the way down. Wax your thread, especially if you're using this type of thread. Dubbing spinner. I'm just putting it away for a second. I'm gonna take my SLF ice dubbing. This is ice pearl, just lotus color. Take a fair amount of dubbing, take the thread back like that. Don't bother to wax my thread here because I'm dubbing it and then I'm spinning it over with the dubbing loop again. and I'm not building a like extra big body. I just wanted a little softer body, so when I rip the fly, you'll get the little segments in the fly because it's cool. It's a little bit more natural. And what you can do here is you can put another color. You can put like this orange, or you can use some dark olive, whatever you like, actually, in the middle, just to make a little trick point. Looks a bit cool. You can make a little bowl here, up your other dubbing, and make sure you do not dub all too far to the eye, because then you will get some problem. A few reps under there, and then over again. Doesn't matter if you brush it a little bit now, later. Take a tapping loop. Now I've prepared my material, and it's made out of SLF Prisma dubbing and some SF. What's that called? Steve Farrell's. This is a bait fish material. Just a few strands of that. Just to make the legs a little bit more natural. Spin it. Like that. Brush the hell out of it. No fibers to be caught. Pinch together the material. And do not take touching turns here. Make it a little, maybe 1 millimeter or 2 between all the reps. Like so. Tie it off. Like that. Push down all the material from the back. And a nice little neat trick here is taking your hackle plier, getting a grip on this back shell here and pull it over like that. With your fingers, like that. Turn your bobbin anti-clockwise. Pinch with your thumb. Take one loose wrap over, and then 2 loose wraps over that. Then you pull, you lock it. Like that. Take your whipping. So the first wrap, you make it loose. When you come over your rubber, you pull it down all together. Watch out for getting any fibers on the top there, because it won't look so good. Just like that. And we're home. Tied off. Cut the excess. No, before you sap it, take a double needle and loosen up all the fibers that may be trapped. Make sure your hook eye is open. Sap it. Some whip finish. And we are good to make some UV glue. Easy as hell. I'm using Bloom's UV glue. Sides. Make some extra top. Turn over your vise, and then you will get a very nice shape. Torch shape. I usually put one layer with golf, the thin man, on the top of this one, because the loom glue is clippy, sticky when it dries. You can use a varnish if you like. It's a little bit longer to dry though. Like that. Torch it. Alright, I'm going to take my scissors and I make some cuts up to the legs instead of just cutting it like that. That way I will make some legs that are not the same length. It's a little bit more natural looking. Take out your dubbing needle and put on some of those orange fibers, if you can find them. It doesn't have to be much, you know, you have to make a clear yellow zone or orange zone or whatever color you're using, just so you mark that it's there. Pinch it a little bit with your fingers. that. Now take your scissors, make a little Christmas wrapping trick here, like that. Take your fly out of the wires. Do the same with the back feathers. And there you go. These little Gammarus. Plenty of more coming. Thanks guys.